Hey guys! I haven't seen you in like maybe last week. I don't know when I'm gonna post this video. Okay, so I'm going to do a video today that I have not done in forever. I'm actually doing a review of the BES Boho extensions, Boho Exotic Studio extensions. So I got the 20-inch and the 22-inch clip-ins in the 6mm curl, and I sent her a picture of my hair so she could kind of match it up. So let's see. I'll insert like a picture or a video of how the hair looked when I first got it. The packaging is super pretty. It's sleek. I really like how it looks. Alright, so this is the hair. This is the 22-inch and this is the 20-inch. So this is 8 clips. 8 clips comes with each bundle. Then this is like the 4. I'm gonna have to like do that so it matches my hair. Then this is 1 clip of the 22 inches. It's very nice. It's not a bunch of tangles. I'm rubbing my hands through it. It's not, I mean, I am getting some snags, but it's not really like bad. Okay, so now that it's like, you know, combed through or whatever, I'm going to take my hair. Whew, my hair's been up in that ponytail all day. I'm gonna take my hair. I'm gonna section it. Ooh, Lord, I am sweating. It's hot in here. Give me a second. I can't. This is the thing. That's why I hate putting clip-ons in, because I can't see the back of my hair. But pretty sure that's one section. So I'm gonna put, I think there's a 2 clip-ons. Let me see what kind of clip-ons are in the packaging. So this is gonna go in the middle of my hair, the 4 clip-ons. And then I usually like to do like 2 at the, okay, they have 3 clip-ons. Okay, so they don't have 2, but they have 3. So I'm gonna just comb this out a little, just finger rake it. Now, just gonna open all these clips. So it's like this, opened up. So now, I don't really have to tease my hair or anything because my hair is in its natural state. So all I really have to do is fit them and clip them. So this is super nice. Really like how this looks. I'm doing this section by section. So. This is just not cute. It's not cute. I'm about to put a jacket on. Ugh. Okay, this is better. At least you won't see my sweaty pits. Okay, so now that I'm getting, I think that section is a little too big. And I'm gonna get another one of the 3. Just gonna rake through it again. Okay, then I'm gonna unclip them. And I'm gonna do the exact same thing that I did with the bottom one that I showed you guys. I really like how it's looking. I can't really see my hair. So it's doing its job so far. Alright, so I'm gonna keep going. Then when I get to the 20 inches, I'll be back. Okay, so I know I said I was gonna get to you guys when I got to the 20 inches, but I just wanted to show you guys how I actually clip on the sides, what I use the singles for. So you see, like, it all looks good right here, but then this part of my hair is just like, oh, it's just there. So what I do is I put this on the side. So this is here too. Ooh. Then I'm going to get, it's my last 22 inch. So I'm just gonna make sure that this is nice and fluffy and full. Make sure this is nice and full. And then I'm going to clip it right next to the single that I put in. And this is what I like to do when I get to the middle of my head. Because when your girl got a big head, okay? So these clip-ins, I'm not going to do too much. Only going to do so much. So like that one I needed 5. Okay? So I'm just going to get onto the 22 inches. So I'm going to start out with the 4 because I'm still like at the crown of my head, the middle. If you guys didn't know what the crown was. Or is that the crown? Is this the crown? I don't know, but I'm in the middle of my head. I'm still in the middle of my head, so I'm going to add these to the middle. So like I did before, I'm just going to be detangling that. Ooh, that was a big tangle. So I actually started talking about foolery, but right here, I'm just trying to show you guys how I put the clip-ons at the top of my head. I feel like the top of my head is very important because that's what majority of people are gonna see. Okay. All right, so now it's like, this is the look I wanted. I could have got 22 inches, but I kind of wanted it to be like, whoosh. You know, you guys feel what I'm saying? So I'm really liking how this is looking. I'm saucy, honey, saucy. I'm back, queens. I'm back with 20 and 22 inches, hunty. Y'all, I really did miss weave. Wow. It's like, wow. It's like, wow. Like, I'm a whole new person. Oh, shoot. Make sure that looks good, you know. Can't be out here just swinging and then, you know, some hair comes out. That's not cute. But I did put it all in. I put a clip up here. I really want to buy another bundle. I just need a full weave. That's what I need. Cause I'm ready. I'm about it. Now that I see how Boho's hair is so great and it matches my hair texture so bomb, I am about getting a weave. Like, this is real cute. I got clip-ins because I wasn't sure if I would like it or not, but this is popping. It matches my hair like perfectly. And then on top and on the bottom and throughout the hair, I did use some Hydra just because that's what I use on my hair every day. So, well, not every day, but when I do my wash and goes, I use Hydra. So I did put some Hydra on top of my hair and at the bottom just so it would blend perfectly with the hair. And now that I did that, I think it looks really nice. Let me show you the back. Doesn't look super weavy. You know, weave's gonna look like weave. But I think it looks very nice. Okay guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This video was not sponsored by BES, but if y'all want to sponsor me and I could, you know, make a whole bunch of videos showing your hair off, hey, hello, queenshireen@gmail.com. Please send me an email. But I will see you guys in my next video. Hopefully I can do some more videos with this hair because it is honestly popping and I love it. So I will talk to you guys next time. Bye guys.